Did you know that bloating can stop you from sleeping well? If you feel full and tight around your abdomen, plus you have gas and discomfort, it's time to take control of your health. Here are 5 easy ways to get rid of bloating. Number 1. Avoid eating gas-producing foods. Why did the broccoli refuse to go to the party? Because he didn't want to be the one to break wind on the dance floor. But in all seriousness, it's true that certain foods can cause gas. Beans, lentils, broccoli, cabbage, onions, and carbonated beverages can cause gas and bloating, so try to avoid them before bedtime or eat less of them if you want to get a good night's sleep. Number 2. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eating too quickly or not chewing your food properly can cause you to swallow air, leading to bloating. Number 3. Drink plenty of water. Drinking enough water can help prevent constipation, which is known to contribute to bloating. Do you think you need to drink more water? Share with us below by replying yes or no. Number 4. Lower your stress. Stress can affect the digestive system and cause bloating. Try to practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help stimulate the digestive system and reduce bloating. Number 6. Eat probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are good bacteria that can promote a healthy gut microbiome and reduce bloating. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and tempeh. Adding these foods to your diet can help improve digestion and reduce bloating over time. Number 7. Consult with a healthcare provider. Frequent or severe bloating may be a sign of an underlying condition, such as IBS, celiac, or IBD. Consult with your healthcare provider for an accurate diagnosis and prevention plan. I hope your sleep is deep and bloat-free. Next, find out which 5 bedtime snacks you should eat to sleep well.